Hello and welcome. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, allow yourself to settle into this moment. You've arrived in a space where you can breathe, release, and simply be. Perhaps your mind has been restless, carrying the weight of worries, doubts, or fears. If so, know that you are not alone. This meditation is here to guide you into ease, clarity, and peace, to provide you a moment of sanctuary where you can let go of what no longer serves you. Together, we will connect with the breath, release tension, and welcome a deep sense of relaxation. Through gentle visualization and calming affirmations, your worries will fade like waves returning to the ocean. By the end, you will feel lighter, grounded, and at ease. Now close your eyes if you haven't already. Find a comfortable position, seated or lying down. Rest your hands naturally and let your body soften. Take a deep inhale through the nose and slowly exhale through the mouth. Let's begin. We'll start by connecting with the breath, your anchor to the present moment. Take a slow, deep inhale, filling your lungs completely, and a long, steady exhale, letting go of any tension. Breathe in again. Feel your chest expand and exhale, releasing any tightness in your shoulders, your jaw, your hands. With each breath, allow your body to settle into stillness. With every exhale, imagine tension dissolving, leaving you lighter, more at ease. Now, we introduce a mantra to deepen this sense of calm. As you breathe, repeat silently in your mind. I am here. I am safe. I am free. Let each word settle into your being. Breathe in deeply. And exhale, feeling a sense of release. Picture yourself standing on a peaceful beach at sunset. The air is soft and warm, the waves gently rolling onto the shore. Golden light reflects on the water, stretching endlessly before you. In your hand, you hold a small stone, a symbol of your worries, fears, and doubts. Take a moment to acknowledge them without judgment, without resistance. As you take a deep breath in, extend your hand forward and release the stone into the ocean. Watch as the waves carry it away, dissolving, fading until it disappears. With it, feel your anxiety melting away, your heart becoming lighter, your mind clearer. Breathe in fresh, new energy. Breathe out all that no longer serves you. You are free. You are safe. You are at peace. Place your hand gently over your heart. Feel its steady rhythm, the quiet strength within you. Now softly repeat these words to yourself, either out loud or in your mind. I let go of what I cannot control. I trust in the flow of life. I am enough exactly as I am, With each breath, these words sink deeper, reshaping your thoughts, releasing tension, opening space for calm. Remain here for a few moments, simply being. No need to do anything, no need to rush, just breathe. Gradually, bring awareness back to your body. Gently wiggle your fingers, your toes. When you feel ready, take one final deep breath in. And as you exhale, feel fully refreshed, renewed, and at peace. Know that you can return to this place anytime you need. The ocean is always here. Your breath is always here. You are always here. When you're ready, open your eyes and carry this peace with you. Thank you for sharing this moment of stillness. May your day be filled with ease and presence. Namaste.